Well, hello there, everybody. This is Larry, the Carnivore Pensioner. Glad to have your company today. Today, I'm wanting to talk to you about snacks on the carnivore diet. That's right, snacks. Now, most of us, myself included, try not to have snacks on the carnivore diet because it's really associated with our former life, that is, before carnivore, when we lived on snacks all day, every day. At least I did. And so once I started carnivore, I wanted to do away with snacks. However, there are times when snacks on carnivore can be just the trick, so to speak. I'm thinking of times like you're starting on carnivore, you're relatively new to this diet or lifestyle, and you get cravings. And maybe if you've got something that is carnivore friendly in the fridge, then you've got a snack on hand that can satisfy that craving without going back to old habits and eating things that you know you really shouldn't eat anymore. Another time you might want snacks is if you're having a special occasion. Maybe you're just having a quiet night at home and going to watch a movie on the couch and you feel like some snacks while you have the movie. Well, better than popcorn and chips and Coke, you can have these carnivore snacks that I'm going to show you today. All of the snacks that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you 4 different snacks. And each of these 4 snacks come out of my recipe book that I wrote just a couple of months back. And it is available. My recipe book has 50 recipes in it. It has some 13 snack recipes in it. And it also has a 14-day meal plan and it has a shopping list. So it's kind of an all-in-one publication. Now, what I'm going to do for this video, for the 7 days following the release of this video, I'm going to make my recipe book half price. So that means you can buy that recipe book on a PDF for just $3.50. That's Australian. So if you happen to be in the US, well, you're going to get it a lot cheaper than that. But just $3.50 for over 60 pages, full colour book with all meat recipes that are all carnivore friendly, including the 4 that I'm going to show you today. Now, if you stick around to the end today, I'm going to show you a bonus 5th recipe that's also in my book that I think trumps the lot, but I'm saving that one till last. So what I've done here is I've just got a tray from my Ninja oven here, and I hope you can see this. So on this side here, I've got some pork belly skin. And then next to that, I've got some bacon. And all I've done with all of these is just cut them up into little squares. And then down this end of the board, I've just got some good old salami. And what you can do for snacks on carnivore is just get anything like this, and you'll think of other ideas, so long as they're meat-based, that you could cut up and just pop in the oven until they're crispy. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to take these 3 simple ingredients, the pork skin, the bacon pieces, and the pepperoni slices, and I'm going to pop them in the oven fairly warm, about 190 degrees. I'm talking centigrade. I'll put that on the screen what it is in Fahrenheit, and or you can have it right up to 200 if you like. So we're going to preheat our oven up to that. I've already done mine, so I'm going to pop them into the oven now. I'm just putting them here in the Ninja Foodi oven grill all in one, and it's set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and it's good to go. So we just want to put that, you'll want to know how long they stay in. Well, they stay in until they're crispy, so just keep an eye on it. Should be 10 minutes or so, but you want each of those items fairly crispy, and some of the thicker ones may take a minute or 2 longer than the thinner items, so we'll see how we go. Now, while we've got that cooking, I've got here some chicken skins, and I wasn't going to put these in the oven. I want to put these in the fry pan. So over here on the stove, I've just got a skillet there, a fry pan on fairly high heat, and I've just put some good old-fashioned fat in there. Whatever you do, don't use any seed oils. You should have chucked those out long ago. But I've got my chicken skin here, and I'm simply going to put this into the pan, into the hot fat. Now watch yourself here, because it'll probably splatter a bit as it goes into the hot fat. So what we're going to do is just put those in there like that. You can hear it splattering and sizzling. And again, we just want to put those in the fry pan until they start to get crispy. So it shouldn't take very long, just a few minutes. Well, folks, I've got the finished result here, and here is my little snack platter I have made up. On this side, we have the pepperoni crisps. The bacon skin is there. I've added a little bit of pepper cheese in the middle. If you're having dairy, you could do that. Here I've got the bacon crisps. And over here is the beautiful pork belly. Now that's already gone quite crisp, but if I put that in the fridge for a few minutes or till later on, it'll be beautiful crispy. Now when you serve it, you could put some knobs of butter, or you could experiment with what you like to have with it, but just a delicious snack to pull out of the fridge, ready to go for your movie night, or you got some friends dropping in, and it's as easy as that. Now, I promised you that bonus extra snack that I spoke about at the beginning of the video, and I'm going to be true to my word. My wife comes from England, and one of the favourite snacks they used to have back in the old country, as we call it, was a little thing called pigs in blankets. Now, our gourmet butcher here, where we get most of our meat, is very beautiful meat, and we love the meat from there, and it's pretty close to home. He actually sells these pigs in blankets already done up. Now, what they actually are is they are a chipolata. I think that's how you say it. It's a little sausage. This is all free range because it's from the gourmet butcher, and they're actually wrapped in bacon. So I've got some there. Now I'm just going to put these back into the fry pan and cook these up as a little extra on the side of our snack platter ready for tonight. So they cooked up fairly quickly. There they are there, fresh out of the fry pan. Chipolata, I think that's how you say it. It's little small sausage and wrapped in a piece of bacon. Now, I got these in a packet made up by my butcher for me, so it made life easy. But you could easily do these at home yourself and experiment with what you wanted to put in them. But look, folks, there's endless sorts of little snacks you can do on the carnivore diet. This has just been a few ideas to get you going. As I say, get a copy of my recipe book for 50 different carnivore recipes, and on sale for 7 days from the date of this video for just $3.50 Australian dollars. And there's a link to that below in the description. I'm going to enjoy one of these little pigs in blankets, as they call them in the old country, and I will see you on the next video. And until then, keep enjoying your snacks and keep telling your story. Bye for now.